Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Samatha Learn and Grow. In this video, we are going to do addition and subtraction by using big friends formula. Minus 8 is equal to minus 10 plus 2 and minus 80 is equal to minus 100 plus 20 regarding sums. Okay friends, before going into the video, if you are interested in the online classes are also available for abacus. Please, if you are interested, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, let us start. 135 minus 108 minus 25 plus 42. 135 minus 108. So in the ones place rod, minus 8 is not available. So what you have to do, you have to take big friends formula. Minus 8 is equal to minus 10 plus 2. Next minus 25. 5. Next plus 42. So what is the answer? 99. Clear the scale. 587 minus 28 plus 30 minus 23. 587, sorry, just a second. Second one I am going to do again. 587 minus 28. The ones place rod, minus 8 is not available. So what you have to do, you have to take big friends formula. Minus 8 is equal to minus 10 plus 2. And add 30 minus 23. So what is the answer? 566. Okay, next third sum. Clear the scale. 211 minus 81 plus 52 minus 31. 211 minus 81. Minus 80 is not available in the tens place rod also. So what you have to do, you have to take big friends formula. Minus 80 is equal to minus 100 plus 20 and minus 1 as usual. Next 52. Next minus 31. So what is the answer? 151. 151. Next 215 plus 12 minus 88 plus 150. 215 plus 12 minus 88. Minus 88 is not available in the tens place rod and in the ones place rod also. So what you have to do, you have to take minus 80 and minus 8 big friends formula. Minus 80 is equal to minus 100 plus 20 and in the same way minus 8 is equal to minus 10 plus 2 big friends formula. Next add 150. Add 150. So what is the answer? 289. Okay, next clear the scale. 327 minus 85 plus 51 minus 43. 327 minus 85. Minus 85 is not available. Minus 80 is not available in the tens place rod. So what you have to do, you have to take big friends formula. Minus 100 plus 20 and minus 5. Next plus 51 minus 43. So what is the answer? 250. 250. Clear the scale. 25 minus 18 plus 21 minus 11. 25 minus 18. Minus 8 is not available in the big friends in the ones place rod. So what you have to do, you have to take big friends formula. Minus 8 is equal to minus 10. Add 2. Next add 21. Next minus 11. So what is the answer? 17. Clear the scale. 52 plus 15 minus 58 plus 30. 52 plus 15 minus 58. Minus 8 is not available. So what you have to do, you have to take big friends formula. Minus 8 is equal to minus 10 plus 2. Next add 30 directly. So what is the answer? 39. Clear the scale. 152 minus 82 plus 15 minus 20. 152 minus 82. Minus 82, minus 80 formula is what? Here minus 8 is not available. So you have to take big friends formula. Minus 80 is equal to minus 100 plus 20 and minus 2 directly. Next 15 add 15, next minus 20. So what is the answer? 65. Clear the scale. 531 minus 21 minus 508 plus 57. 531 minus 21 minus 508. My 8 in the ones place rod, 8 minus 8 is not available. So what you have to do, you have to take big friend's formula. Minus 8 is equal to minus 10 plus 2. Next 57. 59 is the answer. Okay friends, done with the sums. In the next video we are going to see big friend's formula minus 9 and minus 90 sums we are going to do. And friends, please subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you. Bye.